Now that's a shower. That's a shower.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful freestanding tub with modern controls. Everything's modern but timeless, so it's transitional. The quartz tops, the glass tiles, the beautiful lighting here, elegant sinks, very modern medicine cabinet. With this pulls out as a makeup mirror also, adjustable.
It's so easy.
The toilet works, you just walk right up to it, it gets ready, prepares for you.
What?
Here's the remote, it's lighted as well, so you don't have any problems at night. Everything is adjustable. And everything is usable from the remote. Don't you love the fur doors with the opaque glass? And how all the trims and all that are all fur, matching fur. Took a lot of time with the sliding bar hardware, it's just perfect. Look at that. All the customizable shelving that's going in right now. Very, very custom. And of course, the big feature is the fully custom steam shower. Large body porcelain tile. Look at those large, how big those tile are. And then the nice color change at the bottom with the sawn pebbles with a nice texture and no slip. 0 inch threshold so that it's curbless. Universal design, adjustable heads for everyone, shower head, of course the steam jets that really make this a luxury spa treatment. What a beautiful freestanding piece of art in the middle of the luxurious suite. I love the controls. So gentle, aren't they, the controls?
How do you use that?
Pull that up. Nice one. What a barn door. I love the hardware and I love the finishes that are throughout the home. And
It matches.
Douglas fir, it matches the beams, all the same species of wood. And the trims as well. All the base trims and all the trims behind there are all Douglas fir. No mixing and matching of wood species here. So we can see the frame out for the controls, all for the new gorgeous linear ribbon fireplace, all gas, and the stucco finish is going to look so linear like so many other elements in the home. And then we're done with this, we finish the wood floors. That'll get us really complete in the main living area. You can see some of the progress in the kitchen. We're not quite done yet. I'd love to show you the countertops again, but we're protecting them. This is how we protect everything that can be damaged. And then we have little warning signs too.
What's left in here?
Just lighting, and then finishing the little touches on the stove.
This is going to be cool.
Yeah, that built-in range is going to be really nice when you see all the accessories that go into it. The accessories for the galley sink are going to be a thrill to film and show everyone. When we do the virtual reality in here, it'll be awesome. So many details are coming to life. It really increases the excitement with the client.
Yeah, it's really
Sometimes it's so exciting that they just can't wait. But we have to wait. Even though things look like they could move into them and they're ready to go, those little details will be what everyone appreciates when it's done. It's what we want to be proud of. Those little details, from the little grout touch-ups to the cleaning, and maybe some little touch-ups on staining and floors and walls and adjusting the fixtures, whether it be a plumbing fixture or an electrical fixture. Those little adjustments are going to make the project look like what you paid for. Get your money's worth out of it. A lot of people don't care that much about those details, but when you're the owner, the homeowner, you definitely do. And our company cares about that tremendously. It's something we're really known for, is those extra little touches. We've already had this client tell us that it looked good enough, and we said, no, we're gonna do these other things in there. Just like the shelves we did next to the steam shower. They thought they looked fine. No, they needed to be built out. That's what we saw. That's what we saw. Some of those little elements, when you're doing a large project, they're not maybe just listed in the design, but we're going to go above and beyond and make those things perfect. They need to match the home. They need to look right. And we went above and beyond, spent an extra day on trimming out those shelves and another day on painting them.
Oh, wow.
But it was definitely worth it, and the homeowners are going to be really nicely surprised when they see it. This is almost done. I can't wait till the door is all adjusted and beautiful. It's going to be stunning. The whole project will be shown on the KM virtual reality experience. We want to do that for you, and hope you get to look at it, because we can't hide anything with virtual reality. You can stage things with photos. You wonder if it was really done. This is the real thing.